First, head on to discord.com. Open the app and you can log into your Discord account. Once you are in Discord, click on the link provided in your delegate's email to join the Revo Discord server. Once you're in, fill in the Revo Discord Google form to help us identify who you are, and that's it. Welcome to the Revo Discord server. To join the voice channel, simply navigate to the left bar and select the channel that you wish to join. Click on the channel and you'll be in. Make sure your microphone is unmuted and you can begin talking to everyone in the voice channel. To turn on your camera, simply press the video button on the bottom left. To disconnect from the channel, simply hit the disconnect button. That's all you have to know to join and participate in the Revo Discord server.